So my name is Clay Hall, and I'm a senior studying industrial and systems engineering. Well, I had an interest in mathematics after taking a calculus course, and from there I decided I wanted to do engineering, and so it came down to a few engineering schools, and I wanted to be close enough to home where I could come back for a day's trip, but not like close enough where mom could come see me that very same day. And not far enough where I need to take a plane anywhere. So the U was about 3.5 hours away. Really, really good engineering school. Heard a lot of good things. My uncles had done went to the pharmacy school here, and so they had said a lot of great things about it. So I'm a part of ACES, which is the American Indian Science and Engineering Society, as well as NOBI, which is the National Organization of Business and Engineering. ACES, I just serve as like a committee chair and kind of offer my opinions, ideas, thoughts, help out where needed. And then for NOBI, I'm the president of that. So that has a lot to do with recruiting, organizing events, meetings. So I had an internship last summer with Land O'Lakes as a supply chain intern. Really enjoyed that, got some field experience, got to use some of my computer science background and IE backgrounds. CSE has offered me a lot of opportunities for professional development and leadership that I could put on my resume to even have an opportunity to go and work for a company like that. I would say more like career exploration is something CSE has helped me with. I've had an opportunity through ACES to have a mentor who worked at Medtronic, so she helped me kind of guide my career path. That's sort of how I decided I wanted to do a supply chain internship, and even funding to go to ACES, the national conference in the fall. That helped me actually determine what I wanted to do for this upcoming fall, as I'll be working for Deloitte as a consultant. The inclusion here is really, really, really good. I think over the last couple years, or maybe it's just me getting involved more, I feel like the diversity, equity, and inclusion efforts are pretty substantial from what I recognized freshman year. So I feel like there's a lot of even though it's a school of 50,000 students, you can really find a good community here, whether it's through your clubs or advisors or friends. There's just good networking opportunities and good people just in general.